Hey there, Chad Barnes here for Ohio University Libraries. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use SimplyAnalytics to create a ranking for particular locations based on whatever kind of variable or criteria that you choose. This is especially useful if you're trying to figure out which part of the country or state or a city that you might want to do business in or open your location or launch your marketing campaign or whatever. This video is part of my SimplyAnalytics Tips and Tricks video series and is also part of my Tips and Tricks guide for SimplyAnalytics, which is linked below. Here you go. In our previous video, we looked at how to create a comparison table inside of SimplyAnalytics to compare different locations. Now, let's say we want to look at maybe we're interested in Chattanooga, Tennessee, because it looks like a lot of people in Chattanooga, Tennessee, higher than the other comparisons, have a lot more likelihood to say that they agree a lot that they look for organic or natural food when they shop. So what we can do there is go over and create a ranking for that geography. So right now we're looking in Chattanooga. We could change this to whatever geography we want to there. That's in our list. And we are currently looking by zip code. And right now we are sorted by population, right? So let's say we want to look at the percentage of people who like organic food. Well, if we go under there, it's not in our list. So what we have to do is go over here and click on View Actions, Edit View, and grab our percentage of people who agree a lot that they shop for organic food or natural food. And so once we're satisfied with that, now we can go over here and sort this by that statement there. And so this can give us an idea of where we might want to perhaps see it's sorted by this particular statement, where we might want to perhaps open our organic food store in Chattanooga, Tennessee. So it's a great way to get a good ranking of those variables. We could also use this on a larger scale beyond just Chattanooga, Tennessee. So let's say we know we want to do business in Tennessee, but maybe not in one of those three cities there. So what we can do is we can go and say, let's search by cities, but notice that we can't really limit down until we add Tennessee as one of our locations. And so now we've got top 100 cities in Tennessee sorted by the percentage of people who agree a lot that they are likely to buy organic or natural foods, right? So you want to be careful. Right now we're looking at percentages. We want to make sure we're also comparing that to the total population as well as other variables. But again, this is a way that you might be able to identify locations of particular interest where you might want to open your organic food store. Hopefully this video helped you better understand how to use SimplyAnalytics. Make sure you check out my other videos about using SimplyAnalytics as well as my tips and tricks guide linked below. Take care and best of luck with your research.